Hey Amire, pardon my voice. I've been participating in a series of virtual prayers online throughout the night, so my voice is a little raspy. However, I feel like sometimes I can articulate my response better if you could actually hear my thoughts concerning your post. So as I was reading your post, I thought it was very interesting. First of all, I commend you in what it is that you do for your community as a juvenile probation officer. I know it's difficult working with children and working with especially youth and adolescents. Once they get to a certain age in their mind, they think they know. But it is individuals like yourself who help keep them and steer them on the right path. But as I was reading through your post, I actually do appreciate the utilization of some form of assessment when looking at an individual who may potentially have used any kind of substance, be it alcohol or drugs of any kind. And I think it is important to conduct the screening anyway, because there is no telling how, and in our Collins text, there are so many different ways that individuals can be exposed to addictions. They could be exposed through a social group, they could be exposed through family history, they can be exposed through trauma, and I believe that once we get a clear picture of the individual that we're working with, it is then that we can see, okay, where the true problem lies and help them address that as well. I know that when dealing with individuals who are suffering from substance abuse and have been in it, be it a few months or even years, the most difficult part is empowering the family, at least that I have encountered. One of the most difficult parts is empowering the family to be able to address that individual and not become enablers. Because of the love that we have for one another, because of the love that we have for family, we are naturally going to aid them in whatever may be going on or whatever may be happening. And even though we are aiding them in their addiction, it is important that the family knows that they are not benefiting their loved one anything when they become an enabler. And I know it is very taboo in a lot of places and amongst a lot of families to actually discuss addictions and such with anyone, or to actually admit that there is a problem. But admitting it is indeed the first step to getting help. I wrote in my post a phrase that my parents always say: you cannot conquer what you do not confront. If you do not confront the issue, there is no way you can overcome it. So it is important that we empower them, that we empower families, and we give them the proper tools and education to be able to help their loved ones throughout that very sensitive, hard, and trying time.